Hello everybody, welcome back for a Tuesday update for not only the first-time home buyers, sellers, investors, anybody looking to gain knowledge in real estate. That's what I cover every single Tuesday. So if you have a specific topic you'd like me to touch on, comment below and I'll touch on that next Tuesday. So to jump right into it, this week I want to talk about 4 tips to make your offer stronger when you're purchasing a home as a buyer. What are they? So with my experience, the number one tip that I have is to make your purchase price higher, right? It's super simple, right? So if a house is listed for $700,000 and your realtor suggests that the comps around the area suggest that that property is priced fairly and it's probably gonna go escalate up with price, submit an offer for $710 or $720 if you can, and that would be a lot more favorable to a seller if you really like the home. So that's number one. Make your purchase price very reasonable so the seller can't help it but not to accept it. Number 2, earnest money. Put more earnest money down. So earnest money, good faith money, as you know in my previous videos that I touched on about earnest money. But the more earnest money you put up to a seller, it acts that you want the property more. So the more earnest money you put up, maybe you put up 3, 4, 5% of the purchase price instead of 1. Compared to other offers, that's going to make your offer look a lot more favorable. So number 2 is earnest money. Number 3, make your closing date shorter. So this is when being fully underwritten helps compared to pre-approved. So the bank's already looked at all of your finances, so you could close on a home a lot sooner, say than 30 days. Maybe you could do a 20-day close. In some cases, if it's all cash, maybe you could do a 10-day close. So shorten up that closing date so it's not a 45, 60-day close. That's a lot more favorable to a lot of sellers because they want their cash and they want to move on. So number 3, make that closing date shorter. And the last one, to sum it up, waive your inspection. Right? I don't recommend this to everybody, but say it's a very competitive market and my buyers really want the property, you could suggest to them to waive the inspection. That's very favorable to the seller because then there's no negotiations that have to happen through the inspection. So that's the 4 tips that I have. Hopefully that helps you guys to submit a better offer on a property, and hopefully you guys get that property that you love. We'll see you guys next Tuesday.